Hello, Anderson's class. 6.5 attributes of 3D shapes. We're going to name and identify the parts of a 3D shape, okay? All right, here we go. So our first word is 3D figure. Another name for a figure is a shape. Okay, so this shape right here that I'm highlighting in blue, is it 2D or 3D?
2D.
Because it only has 2 dimensions, right?
Yes.
What are they?
Width and height.
This shape right here that I just drew my arrow to is a 3D shape, right?
Yes.
Because it has how many dimensions?
3D.
It has a...
Width, length, and height.
So basically a 2D shape is flat and a 3D shape is thick, right?
Yes.
Or it has like thickness.
Yes.
Make sense?
Yes.
Okay, everyone's eyes still up here?
Yes.
All right, so we said parallel. You guys already know that 2 lines that never cross or intersect are parallel lines, right?
Yes.
Can shapes also be parallel?
Yes.
Okay. We said the base is the what of a shape?
Bottom.
And we said lots of 3D shapes have how many bases?
2.
Multiple bases or 2 bases, right? All right, face, edge, vertex. I'm going to come back to those. I'm going to skip those right now. Okay, this is big. Prism. You guys ready?
Yes.
Okay, there's 4 parts to a prism. Part 1, a prism is what kind of shape?
A 3D shape.
So that's part 1. A prism is a 3D shape. It has how many parallel bases?
2.
It has 2 parallel bases. It also has 2 what?
Congruent bases.
And the last thing or the fourth thing is it has 2...
Opposite bases.
So if you have all 4 of those things, you definitely have a prism, right?
Yes.
We know prisms are always named after their...
Bases.
Because it's all about the...
Base.
Okay. Pyramid. Now there's 4 parts to a... Or no, not 4 parts. 3 parts to a pyramid. A pyramid is a what kind of shape?
3D shape.
How many bases does a pyramid have?
1.
It only has 1 base, right? And the faces and edges on the side of a pyramid all come to a single point called a...
Vertex.
Just like prisms, pyramids are named after their...
Bases.
Cool. All right, here we go. This little single point right here is called a what?
Vertex.
This long line, and there's a whole bunch of them on this shape, but this one long line is called an...
Edge.
Is this also called an edge?
Yes.
And then this whole flat surface here is called a what?
Face.
That's right. And then we know this is a triangular prism because this base and this base are both what?
Triangle.
And notice they're opposite each other?
Yes.
Are they congruent? Are they like the same size?
Yes.
Are they parallel?
Yes.
So that's definitely a prism, right?
Yes.
Now, if we have to count the faces, edges, and vertices, we could do that by simply counting, right? I mean, counting. So this has faces. Let's just do faces. 1. Ready? Bottom is what?
2.
Other side is what?
3.
Back side is?
4.
The top side is?
5.
And then this whole front piece is?
6.
Okay, so we have 6 faces, yes?
Yes.
It's always maybe a good idea to even cross them out. Okay, can you guys count the edges with me? You ready? Ready? Count when I trace.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
It has 12 edges, yes?
Yes.
And then vertices, we probably would want to do the same thing, right? We just count as we find them, so that's...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Ooh. Does this have parallel, opposite, and congruent bases? No. It does have 1 base, though, doesn't it?
Yes.
And then all of the edges on the side and all of the faces on the side go up to a single point. So it must be what kind of shape?
Triangular pyramid.
Well, it's a pyramid, and the base is a triangle, right?
Yes.
Can you also count faces, edges, and vertices on a shape like that?
Yes.
Last thing. This guy right here. Remember when I put these in after the fact? So sometimes are you going to be given a 3D shape where you don't actually see the back side or the bottom side?
Yes.
So if I deleted, I don't know if I'm going to do this or not, but if I deleted these lines, it's almost kind of like it's hidden, right? But you can draw those in if you want, right? Okay? We good?
Yes.
Last one, pentagonal pyramid. Does it look like a pentagon on the bottom?
Yes.
Is it all going up to a single point?
Yes.
You guys happy?
Yes.
We good?
Yes.
What is going on? Okay, guys, here's the deal.
This is still going.
I know. I don't. This happened in Mrs. Okay, don't say anything because the video is still recording. I don't know what's going on.
It's still going.
I know. Stop saying that.